Good morning, children. How are you all today? Hope you all are fine at home. Good. In the previous video, you had learnt about tens and ones and also learnt how to represent numbers on the abacus, right? And also we have learnt that 10 ones makes 110, right? Today we shall learn about comparing numbers as greater than and lesser than. So shall we start? Okay. Children, what do I have here? I have a set of numbers. Can you read these numbers? 1, 25, 7, 13, 19, 15, 8, 11, 29 and 2. Now I have this set of numbers. Now my job is to remove numbers which are more than 10. So from this collection of numbers, I need to remove numbers which are more than 10. So shall we start? Let us go to each number. The number 1. The number 1, is it more or less than 10? It is just 1. The quantity is only 1, so it is less than 10. Now let us come to the next number. The next number is 25. Now 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. It has 2 tens, so it has to be more than 1 10. So 25 is greater than 10. So I remove this number. Next number is 7. 7. Is it less or more than 10? It is less than 10 because it is just 7 ones. Next number is 13. Now 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. So apart from 1 10 it has 3 ones also. So 13 has to be removed. Let us consider the next number 19. 19 is more than 10 or less than 10? It is more than 10 because it has 1 10 and 9 ones. So I remove 19. Next comes 15. 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. So 15 is also more than 10. So I remove the number 15. Next we have the number 8. 8. 8 is just 8 ones. So it is less than 10. So do I have to remove it? No. Next comes the number 11. Now 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. So it is 1 10, 1 1. So it is more than 10. So I remove it. And next we have the number 29. 29 has 2 tens and 9 ones. So it is more than 10. So I remove 29. Next we have the number 2. The number 2, is it more or less than 10? Yes, it is less than 10. So do I have to remove it? No. So which are the numbers that I have removed now which are more than 10? Let us see one by one. It is number 29 and the number 11. Then we have the number 19, 13, 25 and 15. So these numbers are more than 10. In the second example, here again I have a set of numbers. Now what is my job here? Let us see. Now my job here is to remove numbers less than 25. What is my job? To remove numbers less than 25. So shall we start? Let us consider the numbers. This is the number 4, 35, 9, 12, 14, 55, 29 and 45. Now among these numbers I need to remove the numbers which are less than 25. So the first number is 4. Is 4 less than 25? Yes. So should I remove it? Yes. Now the next number is 35. 35 is 3 tens and 5 ones, whereas 25 is 2 tens and 5 ones. So is it less or more than 25? It is more. So do I remove it? No. Considering the next number. The next number is the number 9. Is 9 less than 25? Yes. Do I need to remove it? Yes. So I remove the number 9. Next is 12. Is 12 less than 25? Yes. So I remove it. Next I come to the number 14. Is 14 less than 25? Yes. So I remove it. And then 55. Is 55 more or less than 25? It is more, isn't it? So do I remove it? No. Next we have the number 29. Is 29 more or 25 more? 29, isn't it? So 29, since 29 is more, do I remove it? No. And the last number we have is 45. 45, is it less than 25? No. So do I remove it? No. So let us see which are the numbers I have removed which is less than 25. I have the number 14, 12, 9 and 4. Okay. In this way, you can also do an activity at home wherein you can ask your parents to cut numbers from an old calendar and give, and later you can select any number and find out which are the numbers which is greater than that number or less than that number. Okay. I hope you have understood. Thank you, children.